Hi guys and welcome. In this lecture I'm going to give you some keyboard shortcuts for the modifying buttons, okay? First of all, let's start with the move command. To activate the move command, you have to type M and then move will appear to you. Press enter and then the move command will be activated. Then you can move anything you want, okay? Press the escape. Now, let's go for the rotate. Press R, then O, and the rotate will appear to you. Press enter, and then the rotate will be activated. Escape again. Let's go to the next one. Copy. Type C, then O, then press enter. Then the copy will be activated. Again, escape. Now let's go to the mirror. You can type MI. Then the mirror will be shown. Enter. Mirror has been activated. Okay. Escape. Now we have what? The fillet. Press F and the fillet will be activated. Enter. Look. Is activated. The other thing. How about the trim or the extend? Type T, then R. You can see that the trim has been showed. Enter. Activated. This is the trim command. Now escape. The other thing is the extend. Press E, then X. The extend. Enter. Now the other thing is the fillet. We talked about it. How about the chamfer? Press C, then H. Escape. Press C, then H. You can see that the shortcut for it is CHA, chamfer. Okay? You can whether press CHA, enter, or just press press C and see the options that appears to you in this list. See, the C refers for the circle and CHA refers for the chamfer. Okay, other thing, we have the stretch. Type S. The stretch will be the first option for you. And the offset, press O, and the offset will be the first option as well. And this is for the shortcuts for the modifying commands.